Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Thursday, August 20th. What I have here is the wheat market, and what the concerns are is yield. And right now, we're seeing this upward pressure because of that uncertainty. We see it not only yield, but also the Red Sea. But that's shown in the other market ags that we look at as well. So if we look at corn or we look at beans, they all have that upward pressure because of these concerns. Now let's move on and let's get over to the Russell. What we see in that market is really giving us a sideways move type behavior. The other indices, as we looked at in the advanced video, is stronger. There's also interesting revenue streams that are coming out, like of the S&P. It's really been interesting going through those characteristics. And here, it traded above its buy level. The dollar difference, sell to buy level there in the Russell is $600 a contract. Looking for an inside day in that market. And what's interesting here is what we're seeing in these indices and these currencies. Excuse me. In fact, let's go back. I want to just show you like the Swissy. That was off to the races. The way we came in, it's the way we go out. As we talked about, don't look for the same kind of move immediately on Thursday. That isn't the typical rhythm that we expect to see in these currencies. So a rest day would be more important or more expected, not important, just typical behavior. When we look at the bond market, the government said in the Fed minutes that they are concerned and they're going to increase their buyback, which decreases yield and it makes these interest rate prices increase. So again, this is the right kind of behavior you expect to see. In silver, the dollar difference that sell down to that buy level is $8,800 a contract. Looking for a sideways move here. Next 2 days, very important for this market. And when we look at crude oil, got a lot of tension on that. It's in a neutral zone condition, structure. It's bearish, but right now, fundamentals, I don't see that changing here to a big down move unless something fundamentally changes in the Middle East. So this is resting on that kind of information. Well, those are my thoughts for today. I hope you found something helpful, and I'm looking forward to being with you again. In the meantime, take care.